Good morning and welcome to Saturday morning. The painters originally came on a Wednesday. They were rescheduled for Friday, and on Friday they were not able to come because their paint gun was broken. And so here we are Saturday morning. Let's cross our fingers. The weather was supposed to be rainy and then it just all of a sudden changed and it's like clear skies and warm, so maybe it's the day. Third time's a charm. I was getting ready and I thought I'm just gonna like share a few things because I usually will typically get these questions on Instagram, and so I thought I'm just gonna like address them here. Come to Instagram, talk to me there too, but I just thought I would address a few things that I get questions on a lot. And these earrings, so flipping perfect for every day, but I thought they would also be really cute with like a black outfit at Christmas time, like more fancy. Like sometimes, I mean, I love big earrings, but I also like a really simple earring too. And these are not heavy, so I'll put my earrings in the description for you. And then here's my matching necklace to Olivia. She has the O version of this, so I'll put this necklace in the description. And then this is what like honestly brought me to the video. Oh, and my hairstyle is I recently did a YouTube video on this little hairstyle, so I'll put that video in the description if you missed it. But I was putting on my mascara today, and I had a really hard time getting my lashes to fill back in after I had eyelash extensions. And so I started using a lash serum and a lash conditioner. You could get away with just using the lash serum. I do have a discount code for the serum. When I first started using it, my eyelids got really red. And so I stopped using it and I was like, great, I can't use it. Like my skin is too sensitive. And then a week later, I used it like once. And then a couple days later, I used it once. And then after my skin started getting used to it, I started using it more often. And now I use it every day. It doesn't irritate my eyelids, and my eyelashes are actually starting to grow. So very exciting news for me. I will have that in the description, and then I found a cheap mascara that does a good job, and so I'll put that in there too. So that's kind of like the gist of this situation, and now we're gonna go paint the house. Are you kidding me with these mountains? Are you kidding me? These are my favorite ones. Isn't that beautiful? Nothing is ever as simple as you would like it to be. We've got the painters here and they are power washing the outside of the house, and they're also going to power wash the roof in preparation. We were supposed to have the roof 100% buttoned up by last night, or we were like, oh, or we can just like finish drilling on the last piece that we need. And we called the store, made sure they had what we needed, and they were like, yeah, we've got it, we've got it. Turns out they don't have it. The closest place that has what we need, is it only 2 hours away?
2 hours one way.
2 hours one way. Oh, I was thinking it was 4 hours away. That's not as bad as I was thinking. So 2 hours away. And I called the guy in charge of the painting and he was like, oh, you should have told me, I could have picked it up. He's like, I passed there an hour ago. So it just feels like a rough start to the day, but I'm confident that we've got good people working with us. I think we'll be okay. I'm crossing my fingers. I'm hoping today goes good. So the roof isn't done yet. The painter guy had an issue with picking up enough paint, and now that all this time has gone by, we don't have time to finish painting today. And so they were just like, all right, let's come back in a couple of days. Scheduling is tight, but we'll come back in a couple of days and we'll get it buttoned up, which actually works out perfectly because I got a really bad phone call and I've just been like really upset. I tried like not crying and messing up my makeup, so it's just been an ordeal today. They are going to power wash, so they're gonna power wash, let it dry, and they'll be back in a couple of days. So I'll pick up here in a couple of days. We've got the whole crew here, and I don't know if this is a great or horrible thing. However, this is where we are, so this is where we are. The roof is done, Ski. I am so thrilled with the color we went with on the roof. It's perfect. I mean, it is absolutely perfect. They're finishing up the caulking and then we're gonna get ready to paint. Lincoln was concerned that if all the blood in his body came out, then he would die.
From my heart.
But his heart still has blood in it, so we found the loophole.
Don't squeeze it.
Sorry. We have an issue. The pan, where the shower drain goes, was supposed to be right here. They told us the wrong dimensions. And so instead of moving forward with doors or something else that we could progress with on the house, we have to change the plumbing.
Something that's already been done.
Something that we've already paid someone to do, so it sets us behind in money and in time. Time, I feel like, is the most crucial thing that we're losing, and it's a little frustrating. Joel slept on the floor last night because his back was hurting so much, and I'm feeling worried about Joel. This project is a little wild. We're sitting here talking about the stress we're feeling, and Joel's like, the last time I felt what I was feeling last night was when Joel got shingles. And I was telling Joel, I'm like, okay, like, I know you're under a lot of stress, and I'm under a lot of stress, but for some reason, it's like, I feel like you maybe haven't expressed that you're stressed, and so I guess I just didn't know it was like bothering you. Do you feel like you're being like super bothered by like all the stress, or do you think it's just like kind of coming to a head?
Well, I mean, I get stressed, but I don't like have anxiety about it. You know what I mean? I just don't react that way. It's just, I just deal with it.
So my stress comes out in anxiety. Your stress comes out in shingles. Do you feel like...
I haven't had them since 8th grade, so we'll see if it comes out.
What do you think you stressed about in 8th grade that gave you shingles?
Probably you.
That was an honest answer.
It wasn't like a bad stress. It was just like, how do I get my best friend to not be your girlfriend anymore and then get me in the picture?
Oh, you. I don't know how much of that I believe.
I believe all of it.
You're crazy. We are under a lot of stress, and I feel like it's everyone. Everyone is under a lot of stress. Everyone that's watching this video is under a lot of stress. And I'm going to tell you what I told Olivia, because Olivia was feeling a little overwhelmed. And I made her close her eyes, and I made her take a deep breath in and deep breath out. And I told her to say, let it go. Let it go. And we cannot control what we cannot control. And what is in our control, we're going to just work one thing at a time. Joel, that's the same with us in this house. We cannot control what we cannot control. And
I got this lady that just keeps getting after me to get it done.
oh my gosh, she sounds hot.
Well, she is, but she's a real bear cat.
So we've been here all day. We set up the doors to be painted out here, and all of a sudden the wind picked up, knocked over our doors, broke some hinges, and I haven't seen Joel mad like that this whole time. So we brought them inside, and you can kind of see, I know it's getting dark. We've literally been here all day. Oh, I was really nervous. Oh, they didn't do that. Oh, they did. Oh, they did do the jam. Did they do the jam? No, they didn't do the jam. I thought they were gonna do the jam. I'm confused. Then we set up one of the other exterior doors out here, and they painted this one. This was like the most basic door, but it's okay. The roof is done. The base color is done, and the trim is mostly done. They did 2 coats, and then we will have soffit and fascia. That will be covering that part on Monday that comes. So let me step back so you can see what she looks like as far as today goes. I think it looks super good. It's just a really, really light gray and then a warm white. If I had to do it again, I would do a whiter white. But everyone has told me to do the softer white, but I think I like the whiter white.
We like bright white.
We do like bright white, but it's pretty and it's not super noticeable. I actually really love it. I actually really love it. I was telling everyone how mad you were about the door situation. I left to take the kids home, and then when I got home, the basement had flooded in the utility room. So
I rushed home.
So Joel rushed home.
Fixed it together.
Cleaned it up, got the fans going. It was in the utility room, and so it was on the
cement floor,
which is nice, but wow.
What a pain.
It's just been a really big day. My head hurts, your head hurts, Joel's back hurts.
I
think he has shingles. Okay, we're going.
Feels weird.
Okay, bye.